Now we're ready to give this Kawasaki a run-up. Looks like this came out of a John Deere. I've got the new gaskets on the carb and everything. Carburetor seems to be okay. Oh, that's a heavy truck. Will it run by itself? Oh, that's a heavy motor. Oh, I'm hitting the gas on, that's why it's doing that. If you know which, this is mixed, this is straight. And hopefully there's no leaks. There's no leaks. Okay. Carb is on. And just put enough in there to run it. I don't know if it'll even start. There we go. As you see, that's how you know. So I gotta basically hold this with one hand. There we go. And that's gonna be a little tricky. Beautiful. He's running. A little bit hesitant. We had life. Carburetor needs a bit of cleaning. It idles fine. jets are clogged. Now she runs. Now we'll do a little quick hot start. Set the throttle. See, it idles fine, but as soon as you give it RPM, it just goes, yeah. So I gotta take this carburetor off and clean the jet. When it idles, it runs fine. Burns nice and clean out of the exhaust. See, it idles fine, but once you go like this, maybe. Doesn't run too bad. A little hunting, we can clean that up. So now we turn gas off. That's kind of cool. And that was me running the FJ180V out of a John Deere JX75. My hands are clean. Hold on a second, hold on. She runs good, idles fine, but when it's in full throttle, it hunts. So I'll have to take that in and get the carb cleaned out. Maybe I'll put the engine back on that and run it again. Yeah, we could do that. Just have to wash. Yeah, let's do a video of washing the hands. Yeah. What's the time on it? It's 11:37, so we gotta cut this short, right? And this is a better camera. As you see, she started up. It's a little more hard to try and start it when it's not mounted on anything, but next time I'm going to mount it on the 14SE, and then once I fix the carburetor, then we'll be okay. Or should I mount that now? Yeah. I guess it wouldn't hurt. And then it'll make it easier to get it going. But she does run, so that's good. That's probably sat for 5 years. So it needs a carb cleaning. And then I'll probably sell this. And just be careful that the motor is hot, so I need to grab it. There we go. Now, if we want to, no, this isn't going to work. Ouch, 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 ouch. But anywho, she does run, so take care. Have a great day. Bye.